Hello and welcome to Cat ASMR, and tonight I'm going to show you my new shoes. It will be an unboxing of my new shoes that I just bought, and I will get it. Wait a second. Here is the box of the shoes that I bought. And let's open it. Wow, I have these shoes. Here it is, and it has a design on the side here. Great design actually. And I'll tap it for you. Here, there's a red design also here. And here's the inside. And it's still new. That's why in this side it's white. This is a new shoe, and I think that it is great for walking. Maybe I'll use it for walks in the park or going to the grocery store. I like this shoe because it is it has a color red, and I've been wanting to have a black shoe but it has red accent on it. Here's the first shoe, and this one is the other shoe. This one is the other shoe. I hope that you like my tapping. Please comment down below if you like tapping videos of shoes like this. Here's the lace. It is also black. And here's the lace in front. Here's the back of the shoe. That's it for the video. And if you're new, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit a like. And that's all. I'll see you in the next one. Hope you've had a good day, and I hope this video will help you sleep or relax. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.